I work the night shift at a hospital. Most nights are quiet. Too quiet. But at 2:46 a.m., a file appeared on my desk. No footsteps. No sound. Just one name. Mine. It was an autopsy report. Cause of death? Internal bleeding. I checked the clock. 2:49 a.m. Live. Reading my own death. Then one line appeared. The body will arrive shortly. And at that moment, the hallway went dark. Something was moving closer. And it wasn't stopping. I wasn't waiting for someone. Something was waiting for me. Stop. Watch the full episode on YouTube. Link below.